Worksheet or a video based upon arithmetic sequences. So first we start with paper 1 questions. He has given, write down the values of u1. u1 is always going to be the first term. So u1 is going to be 2. S1 means sum of the first term. So which is going to be again 2. Then u2 is going to be 5. u2 is 5. S2. What is the meaning of S2? u1 plus u2 is going to be S2, which is 2 plus 5, which is 7. Then we are going to find it out. S5. Part C, S5. Add all the 5 terms, u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus u4 plus u5, which is going to be 2 plus 5 plus 10 plus 3 plus 7, which is going to be nothing but how much? 27. Consider the sequence un. Write down the terms u2. What's u2? u2 equals to 2. u20. So for that we need to know the common difference. Common difference is u2 minus u1, which is 2 minus 1, which is 1. So u20 is going to be u1 plus 19 times d. So which is 1 plus 19 times 1, which is 20. Next is asking about S5. S5, add the 5 terms, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is going to be 15. Write the formula for un. The formula for un is u1 plus n minus 1 times d. What was u1? 1 plus n minus 1 times 1. So it becomes 1 plus n minus 1. 1 cancels. So what is going to be the answer? N. Next, consider un equals to 10n. Find the first 3 terms. So u1 will be equals to 10 times 1, which is 10. u2 is going to be 10 times 2, which is 20. And u3 equals to 10 times 3, which is 30. Now, part A, part B, u10, which is 10 times 10, which is 100. Now, part C, S1 is u1 itself only, which is 10. S2, which is u1 plus u2, which is 10 plus 20, which is 30. S3 will be u1 plus u2 plus u3, which is 10 plus 20 plus 30, which is equals to 60. Question number 4, un equals to 10n square. Find the first 3 terms. So u1 equals to 10 times 1 square, which is 10. u2 equals to 10 times 2 square, which is 40. Then u3 equals to 10 times 3 square, which is 90. Then u10, which is 10 times 10 square, which is 1000. Now S1 is u1, which is 10. S2, u1 plus u2, which is 50. S3, u1 plus u2 plus u3, which is going to be nothing but how much? 100. u1 plus u2 plus u3, which is not going to be 100. So 10 plus 40 plus 90, which is 140. That is S3. Question number 5. Find the first 3 terms. So u1 equals to 10 power 1, which is 10. u2 equals to 10 power 2, which is 100. u3 equals to 10 power 3, which is 1000. Then u10, which is 10 power 10. Then S1, which is u1, which is 10. S2, which is u1 plus u2, which is 110. S3, which is u1 plus u2 plus u3, which is 1110. Question number 6. u1 is given, un plus 1 is given. Find the first 3 terms. The first term u1 is given, already there, u2. So we use this formula, un plus 1 equals to un plus 10. Plug in n equals to 1, so it becomes u2 equals to u1 plus 10 but u1 was 10, so 10 plus 10, which is 20. Then n equals to 2, so u3 will be equals to u2 plus 10, which is 20 plus 10, which is 30. Then find s1, s2, s3. S1 is u1, which is 10. S2 is u1 plus u2, which is 30. S3 is u1 plus u2 plus u3, which is 60. Question number 7. Find the first three terms. So first term is already found. So n equals to 2 or n equals to 1. So you'll be getting u2 equals to 2u1 plus 10. I'm using this formula. So which is 2 times of 10 plus 10, which is nothing but how much? 30. N equals to 2, so u3 equals to 2u2 plus 10, which is 2 times of 30 plus 10, which is 70. Then again, S1 is u1 itself, S2 u1 plus u2 40, S3 u1 plus u2 plus u3, which is 110. Question number 8. Express this symbol is sigma as a sum of three terms and find the results. So substitute 1, 2 times of 1. Substitute 2, 2 times of 2, because our value is from 1 to 3. And substitute 3, 2 times of 3. So which is 2 plus 4 plus 6, which is 12. For this one also, r equals to 1 to 3. So 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, which is going to be 1 plus 4 plus 9, which is 14. Then this one also, r value is 1 to 3, 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3, which is 2 plus 4 plus 8, which is 14. Question number 9. A, B, C are given. Find a relationship between A, B and C. So you can use the graphing calculator and directly find the value of A. Use a graphing calculator, plug in these values, you should be getting that answer as 780. Similarly, when you use the graphing calculator and get that value is nothing but what? 5760. And C, r equals to 1 to 20. Use the graphing calculator, you should be getting it out 4980. So what is the relation that you should get it out between A, B and C? You can see that when I add these two, I am getting it out this one. So A plus C equals to B. Question number 10. What is the first term? First term is 11. What is the common difference? U2 minus U1, which is 15 minus 11, which is 4. What is U101? Formula U1 plus 100D. So which is nothing but what? 11 plus 100 times 4, which is 411. Now S101. Formula is n upon 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So which is 101 upon 2 times 2a times 2a. Instead of a, it is 2u1. 2 times of u1, 11 plus n minus 1. 101 minus 1 is 100 times d. What is the common difference? 4. Simplify that. I'll be directly writing the answer 21,311. Find the sum of first 20 terms. So same formula, 20 upon 2, 2u1 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 times 4. Simplify that, 980. Express the general term u1 in the form of this one. So part D, un equals to u1 plus n minus 1 times d, which is 11 plus n minus 1 times 4, which is 11 plus 4n minus 4, which is 4n plus 7. Finally, part E, hence find the value of n when un is 51. So un equals to 51, 4n plus 7 equals to 51. So 4n equals to 51 minus 7, 4n equals to 44, n value is 11. Coming to question number 11, write down the first three terms of this one. So u1 equals to 3 times of 1, 3. u2 equals to 3 times of 2, which is 6. u3 equals to 3 times of 3, which is 9. Now part B, sigma n equals to 1 to 20, 3n. Then use the calculator, 1 to 20, use the calculator, you should be getting it out 630. Now he is asking us to find it out in part B from 21 to 100. So what am I going to do that? I am going to use the calculator again from 21 to 100. Use 3n. Its value is going to be 14520. Question number 12. un is given. Write down the values of u1, u2 and u3. So u1 will be equals to 3 minus 2 times of 1, which is going to be 1. u2 equals to 3 times minus 2 times of 2, which is negative 1. u3 equals to 3 minus 2 times of 3, which is negative 3. Then use the GDC. Just use the GDC. You should be getting it out negative 360. The first three terms are given. Find the 41st term. So u1 is 7. So D equals to u2 minus u1, which is 9.5 minus 7, which is equals to 2.5. 41st term means u1 plus 40 times D, which is 7 plus 40 times of 2.5, which is going to be 107. Sum of first 100 terms, 101 terms is 101 is n upon 2, 2u1 plus n minus 1, 101 minus 1 times D, 2.5. Simplify that, you should be getting this as the answer. Arithmetic series has 5 terms. The first term is 2 and the last term is fifth term is 32. Find the sum of the series. So Sn formula n upon 2, first term plus last term, easiest way. So 5 upon 2, first term is 2 and last term is 32, which is going to be 85. Arithmetic series u1 and u3 are given. So u1 equals to 2, u3 which is u1 plus 2d equals to 8. What is u1? 2. 2 plus 2d equals to 8. 2d equals to 6. D equals to 3. Is asking us to find u20, which is u1 plus 19d. 2 plus 19 times of 3, which is 59. Then S20, we know that n upon 2, first term plus last term. So 20 upon 2, first term is 2 and the last term is 59. Simplify that, you should be getting 610. In an arithmetic sequence, the first term is 5 and the fourth term is 40. Fourth term means u1 plus 3d equals to 40. u1 is 5. 5 plus 3d equals to 40. 3d equals to, what does that becomes? 3d equals to 35. D equals to 35 upon 3. Now the second term is asked, which is u1 plus 1d. u1 is 5 plus 1d, 35 upon 3, which is 50 upon 3 or 16 2 upon 3. Consider the arithmetic sequence. Find u101. So u1 equals to 2, D equals to u2 minus u1, which is 5 minus 2, which is 3. u101 will be equals to u1 plus 100d. So which is 2 plus 100 times of 3, which is 302. Find the value of n where un equals to 152. What is un formula? u1 plus n minus 1 times d equals to 152. u1 is 2 and d is 3. 2 plus n minus 1 times d equals to 152. From there, n minus 1 times d equals to 152 minus 2, 150. But what is the value of d we know? D value is 3. divide by 3, n minus 1 equals to 150 divided by 3, n minus 1 equals to 50, n equals to 51. Question number 18. Find the common difference. Common difference is u2 minus u1, 9 minus 3, 6. Find the number of terms. So we know that nth term is 1353. Nth term formula u1 plus n minus 1 times d equals to 1353. What is u1? 3 plus n minus 1 times d is 6 is 1353. N minus 1 times 6 is 1353 minus 3. N minus 1 times 6 is 1350. Then n minus 1 equals to 1350 divided by 6, which is 225. So n equals to 226. Find the sum of the sequence. So S226 to be found it out, which is n upon 2 first term plus last term. So n is 226 upon 2, first term is 3 and the last term is 1353. So therefore that's going to be the answer 153228. The nth term of arithmetic sequence is given. Find the common difference. So u1 will be equals to 5 plus 2 times of 1, which is 7. u2 will be equals to 5 plus 2 times of 2, which is 9. So common difference will be u2 minus u1, which is 9 minus 7, which is 2. Given that the nth term is this one, find the value of n. Nth term is 115. Nth term formula u1 plus n minus 1 times d equals to 115. What's u1? 7 plus n minus 1 times d equals to 115. N minus 1 times 2 equals to 108. N minus 1 equals to 54. N equals to 55. Find the sum of this sequence. So 55 upon 2 first term plus last term. Simplify that, you should be getting 3355. That's the answer. Question number 20. Find u1. d has given, 27 has been given. u27 is u1 plus 26d. This is 263. u1 we don't know. 26 times d is 11. So 263 equals to u1 plus 26 times 11. When I do 26 times 11, I'll be getting 286. So u1 equals to 263 minus 286. So u1 equals to negative 23. Given that un equals to 516, find the value of n. So un equals to 516. So u1 plus n minus 1 times d equals to 516. What's u1? u1 is negative 23 plus n minus 1 times d is 11 equals to 516. N minus 1 times 11 equals to 516 plus 23. N minus 1 times 11 equals to 539. Then n minus 1 equals to 539 divided by 11, which is 49. So n equals to 50. For this value of n, find Sn. Sn, n upon 2 first term plus last term. Simplify that, which is 12325 is going to be the answer. Question number 21. Find the sum of the arithmetic series. So we need to know which term is this 417. So how many terms are there? We don't know. So we need to find the value of that one. So 417 first term. What is the first term? First term is 17 plus n minus 1 times d. You can see the common difference is 10. 417 minus 17 equals to n minus 1 times 10. 400 equals to n minus 1 times 10, n minus 1 equals to 40, n equals to 41. So there are 41 terms. So 41 by 2, first term plus last term. So simplify that, 8897. Calculate the sum. Again, we don't know which term is that 157. So 7 plus n minus 1 times common difference. Common difference is 3. 157 minus 7 equals to n minus 1 times 3. N minus 1 times 3 equals to 150. N minus 1 equals to 50. N equals to 51. Once I know n is 51, I am going to do S51, which is 51 by 2, first term plus last term. Simplify that, you should be able to get that answer as 4182. Now for part B, use the graphing calculator and you can directly get it as 4182. 23. Consider the arithmetic series. Find the expression for Sn. So u1 is 2. Common difference is u2 minus u1, which is 5 minus 2, which is 3. So Sn formula is n upon 2, 2u1 plus n minus 1 times d. So simplify that, n upon 2, 4 plus 3n minus 3. So which is n upon 2, 3n plus 1. Find the value of n for which Sn is 1365. So we know that Sn is 1365. So n upon 2 times 3n plus 1 equals to 1365. So 3n square plus n equals to 2730. 3n square plus n minus 2730 equals to 0. Then if at all it is a graphing calculator, you can get the value of n as 30, n as minus 91 upon 3, which is not possible. So that's going to be the answer. Let S1 is the sum of first n terms of arithmetic sequence whose first terms are u1, u2, u3. S1 is 7. S1 is 7 means it is u1. S2 is u1 plus u2, which is 18. 7 plus u2 is 18. So u2 is 11. So we have found it out S1 and we have found it out u1 and we have found it out u2. Then he's asking us to find common difference, which is u2 minus u1. 11 minus 7, which is 4. Find u4. u4 is u1 plus 3d. u1 is 7, 3 times of 4, which is 19. Question number 25. In an arithmetic sequence, the first term is negative 5. Fifth term is 27. Fifth term means u1 plus 4d equals to 27. Negative 5 plus 4d equals to 27. 4d equals to 32. d equals to 8. We found it. Find the 11th term, which is u1 plus 10d. u1 is negative 5 plus 10 times of 8, which is 75. Then part C. Find the sum of 11 terms. S11. 11 upon 2. 11 upon 2. 2 times of u1. What is u1? Negative 5 plus 11 minus 1 times d. 88. Simplify that. You should be getting it out. 385. Then, given that the nth term is 155, find the value of n. So, nth term is 155. Nth term formula, u1 plus n minus 1 times d equals to 155. What was u1? u1 is nothing but what? Negative 5 plus n minus 1 times 8. d is 8 equals to 155. n minus 1 times 8 equals to 160. n minus 1 equals to 160 divided by 8. n minus 1 equals to 20. n equals to 21. That completes question number 25. So we have completed 25 questions. 26 to 50 questions will be in the next video. This is the part 1. See you in the next video. Bye.